Tire repair and replacement are valuable skills for young Liberians who want to earn income working with vehicles. In Liberia, rough roads, potholes, and heavy loads often cause tires to puncture or wear out quickly. Because of this, drivers of cars, taxis, trucks, and motorcycles frequently need tire repairs. The first step in tire work is learning how to safely lift a vehicle and remove the wheel. Always make sure the vehicle is stable before loosening the wheel nuts. Once the tire is removed, inspect it carefully to find a puncture, nail, or damage. For tube tires, the mechanic removes the tube, locates the hole, and patches it using rubber cement and a patch. For tubeless tires, small punctures can be sealed with repair plugs. If a tire is badly worn or damaged, replacement is the safest option. Young mechanics should also learn how to check tire pressure and inspect tread wear. Proper tire pressure helps vehicles drive safely and improves fuel efficiency. Clean tools, careful work, and honest advice build trust with customers. Many successful roadside mechanics began by repairing tires because the work is frequent and useful. By mastering tire repair and replacement, young Liberians can earn steady daily income while providing an important service that keeps vehicles moving safely on Liberia's roads. Take care. OneLiberia.ai can help you improve your skills. Stay safe.